central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of hazards. Conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good. The warning alarm will be activated for selected warnings and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning